Today I am testing Micro Martingale. Currency pair is GBPUSD and time duration is 3 months. Period is M1 and spread is 5. Now open expert properties. I am using max spread 5 and signal level 6 and stop loss 50. Click OK and start the testing. Now open the graph tab and see the progress of the expert advisor. Now analyze the report. Drawdown is 3.52% and total net profit is 159.48. I am also sharing the EA and its set files. You can find the download link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching my video. If you found these trading tips and tutorials helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Remember, successful trading awaits you. So let's navigate the markets together. Happy trading.